Welcome to another video, everyone. This is the LiberNovo Omni Dynamic Chair, a one-of-a-kind ergonomic office chair that has genuinely saved my back. It has some incredible features that I've never seen in an ergonomic office chair before, and I've reviewed a lot of them. I like how all the instructions were on this massive piece of cardboard, really easy to install. Let's get straight into the unboxing. Right away you can see just how premium the cushioning is, from the headrest to the seat to the entire backrest. Everything feels soft, supportive, and built for all-day comfort. And check this out, this is the FlexFit backrest. It automatically adjusts to your posture and moves with you, keeping your spine supported no matter how you sit. Once again, I like what I'm seeing from the material here. It looks really soft and it feels like memory foam. Now let's get this thing installed. It looks like it's going to be pretty straightforward. And honestly, it blew my mind that this entire chair only had 5 screws in the box. That's something I've never seen before on an office chair. Super clean and straightforward for an easy assembly. Once the frame was set up, I plugged in the USB-C cable. This powers the motorized features, something that really sets this chair apart, and we'll get into all of that in this video. Next up is the neck rest. It installs easily and has a really nice range of adjustability, so you can dial it in exactly how you like. And here's the battery pack that powers 2 of the headlining features here, Omni Stretch and the dynamic lumbar support. You just slot it in under the seat and you're good to go. Now that it's all installed, let's take a look at this thing. Once I rolled it over to my setup, it looks clean, minimal, and really aesthetic in here. And now we have the footrest. This alone takes comfort to the next level on the LiberNovo Omni Dynamic Chair. It's perfect for long work sessions and when you just need to kick back and relax. It's going to be perfect for using that Omni Stretch when I'm fully reclined. Here's where everything starts working together. The dynamic FlexFit backrest, the footrest, the adjustable neck rest, the soft seat cushion, and the motorized lumbar support, all of this designed to keep your spine aligned and build the chair around you, not the other way around. This backrest feels like nothing I've ever felt before. It keeps my spine locked into place and it's really comfortable. You also get fully adjustable armrests, which are really nice to find that perfect seating position. And of course a headrest that moves with your posture, as I mentioned before. Every adjustment is there to help you stay supported. Alright, now let's take a look at the recline on this chair. Once you sit down, you can choose from 4 levels of recline to match how you're feeling throughout the day. 105 degrees for deep focus, 120 degrees for solo work, 135 degrees for a soft recline, and a fully extended 160 degrees spine flow mode. I think it's time to try out this Omni Stretch. When I hit that full recline, I like to activate Omni Stretch, a gentle, controlled stretch that releases pressure along your back. It's perfect for breaking up long work or gaming sessions, and I can honestly say it instantly relieves some pressure that I had in my back after a long editing session. I've been using the LiberNovo Omni for both editing and gaming, and the difference in comfort has been huge. The support stays consistent no matter how long I'm sitting here. So, who's this chair actually for? If you're someone who spends long hours working at a desk, whether you're an engineer, an accountant, a video editor, or you just love long gaming sessions, I'd highly recommend this chair. It offers something completely different from anything else on the market, and you won't find these features in any other chair. Overall, I'm really happy with how this chair looks and performs in my space. This is my new go-to for sure. That's it for this video, everyone. I hope you enjoyed my showcase of the LiberNovo Omni Dynamic Chair. I really enjoy it, but let me know what you think in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel.